So a couple days ago, I got a phone call from my friends over at Sony, and they said they were sending us some new speakers. So they actually sent us a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker, and a pair of headphones, which we're going to try tomorrow. But today we're looking at the ULT Power Sound, the ULT Field 1, and this is their one of their new Bluetooth speakers. So it's the SR5 ULT 10, I'm guessing. And as you can see here, which is what we're excited about, powerful bass with the ULT Ultimate, I'm guessing it stands for Ultimate button, 12-hour battery life, and IP67 dustproof and waterproof. So it also says, you don't see that very often anymore, iPod, right? But it is made for these. So they went that extra little step and made sure that these were verified, authorized, whatever you want to call it, with Apple and with Android. So it shows you here, there's a little QR code. I wonder if it's the same app that you used for some other headphones. Let's just find out. My guess is yes. So when we load this up, we are going to get, okay, English. What is this? Oh, this is looks like it's just a quick start guide. So it's quick start guide. Yeah, so basically how to use it. Listening to music. I'm good at listening to music. I can do that. That's okay. Little tiny USB cable. Okay. I'd like to see bigger. What color do we get? Because this comes in a bunch of colors. Oh, nice. I was like, I hope it's not just the black. It's kind of their gray color right here. That's nice. Look at that. Look at that woofer in there. Woofer. And of course in the back here, nice waterproofing for the USB port, which is great. Nice little handle for carrying. I do like that. Looks like you get little subs on both sides. And of course there's going to be your controls. And there's your ultimate button. Oh, I'm curious about this ultimate button. Anyways, what else do you get? You get a manual. So there's your little set of manuals right there for it. Am I going to read those? No. No, I am not. So that's going back in there. And let's try it out because we want to hear this, yes? So, okay, first off, let's bring up my phone and go do the old Bluetooth. So we'll go to the bottom here, and this hopefully will show up at some point in the bottom. So let's turn this on. Ready? Ooh, the ultimate is right there. Bluetooth light is flashing, which is good. And let's see what happens. Do we see anything? You know, I always wonder, because I have so many things that I try, if it just takes forever for it to look for all these other things. Oh, it's actually got this S5 here, my other Bluetooth, which is upstairs. So it's probably being like, no, you can't do that. So I'm going to forget that device right now. Okay. And then see at the bottom if this shows up, because I don't think you can have two audio Bluetooth devices connected. So let's just go back here. Yeah, there is ULT Field 1. And see, there's the other speaker, but we want this one. Now, the Tozo that I had, I thought was pretty good, but inexpensive. I don't know necessarily how much this is, but it is a Sony speaker, so kind of be aware of that. So usually you pay a little bit more, but you get the Sony sound out of it, which is usually excellent. So let's go find, of course, we're going to find some non-copyrighted songs, if that is even possible. So let's come in here and go to my playlists. I have a non-copyright stuff. It's usually not overly exciting, but you get the ideas. The idea. Copy, there it is, copyright free. Okay, so first off, let's just try this. And we'll crank it right up. You guys won't be able to normally tell because of the fact that it's YouTube and the speakers are adjusting, right? But I will. It's got a huge amount of bass. What is this? Yeah, so the ultimate turns off and the bass is less. So if you're someone that maybe wants to listen to, you know, maybe the bass isn't as important to you, but we'll turn that on. Oh yeah, the bass, it's a huge amount of bass difference. Could ever cure this mind. I wish you could hear how this sounds. And if you stand it upright, yeah, that's really quite good. Okay, all right. Let's go back into my playlist here. Let's try something else. Let's try this one. No, let's try something a little more. And again, this is pretty high. We're at about 90%. All right, yeah, that's pretty good. That's for a little speaker like that. It sounds really good, actually.
Sail on the radar.
Right, I can crank that right up.
And venture away from this.
Wow, that sounds great. And I'm pretty sure if you use the volume here, it should adjust on the phone. Yeah, so you could use it from either.
It always is. Unfold from my mind.
Yeah, that's really good.
If you kill
it sounds really good when it's actually down here because you get that bass reflection from the table. Okay, that's really good. Let's try one that's more rocky, I guess, just to see. Not like Rocky the movie, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, yeah, that's a nice speaker for the shape and size of it. Now, this would be, I would guess, kind of a premium speaker, right? So you want to make sure that, you know, if you're someone that likes to go out and spend $40 on a speaker and you're happy with that, then is this going to sound better? Yeah, but is it going to be more expensive? Yeah, and that may be something that you're concerned with. But if you're someone that likes that extra bit of quality, plus you have that ultimate mode button, alt button, whatever it's called, then, you know, you get that really nice low end that kicks in for those of you that want it. If not, you can turn it off, which is kind of cool. I'll leave links down below to Sony's website so you guys can take a look at this. That's snazzy. And it does come, I believe it's 4 colors. I believe you can get it in 4 different colors. So, yeah, that's, right? You guys see it? Where is it? The one time I don't want it to track me. There we go. Yeah, that's kind of cool. All right, guys, this is a Sony ULT Power Sound ULT Field 1. Blah, 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 blah. I'll leave links down below if you're interested, and we will see you guys next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and it's cool. Later.